Hi, good morning, children. How are you? I hope you are all fine. Welcome to Nirbhaya High School, Padmanagar Phase 2, Chintal, Digital Learning Classes to understand the subject easily. I am your English teacher, Ashtalakshmi ma'am. Hi, children. Good morning to everyone. What topic we are going on, children, now? We are learning about adjectives. Yes, children, we have learned about adjectives and kinds of adjectives. And I gave you the worksheets to do. Have you completed that? I hope everyone have done that worksheets. Okay, children. Now we are going to learn about the adjectives degree of comparison. What it is, children? Degree of comparison. What it is degree of comparison? Yes. You know the adjectives. Yes. The smart. Means adjectives are what? Describing words. Okay. Now I am not comparing any person. Just I am telling he is smart. He is smart. It comes under the positive degree of comparison. Positive degree of comparison. It comes smart. When I am comparing between two people. Means he is smarter than she. He is smarter than he. See here, when I am comparing between two persons, see here, now Raj is smart. Raj is smarter than Ramu. Here I am comparing between two people, two things or any two. Then it comes under the comparative degree of comparison. What it is? Comparative degree. Here we will just add the smart is there, no? We will add er to the word. Then it becomes smarter. It comes under comparative degree. When we are not comparing between any person, just we are talking about one person, it comes under the positive degree of comparison. When we are comparing between two people, it comes degree of comparative. And coming to the superlative degree, we are comparing not between two people, we are comparing between so many people. More than two people we are comparing. Then it comes under the superlative degree of comparison. See here, smarter. When we are adding here for the smart, est, it becomes smartest. Raju is smartest boy in the class. We are comparing between whole class here. Understood, children, everyone? See here, once again I am explaining you. Positive means what? We are not comparing. We are talking about one person. Here we are comparing between two persons, two people, two things, anything it can be. We are comparing between two. Then it is a comparative degree. Here I said smart. When we are adding to the smart er, it becomes comparative degree. When we are adding for the smart est, it becomes superlative degree. Here est we are adding, but what it becomes? Smartest. Smartest means we are talking about here about one person, not more than two persons. We are talking about more than two persons. We are comparing between more than two persons. See here, Raju is a smart boy. Raju is smarter than Ramu. Here one thing you should remember, children. In the comparative degree, in the sentence form, after the adjective, we will write than. It follows by than. Smarter than Ramu. I said no. Now, here we are comparing Raju is smartest in the class. Smartest boy in the class. Understood, children? Now, everyone have understood this? What is positive? What is comparative? And what is superlative degree? We will see more examples. See, children, we are going to see more examples. Here, see, children, some more examples we are going to see. Akbar was great ruler. Here, he was a great ruler than she. We can write like that. Okay, see here, Ramu was a clever man. Ramu was a clever man. Okay, here we are not comparing between any person. We are telling about one person only. Here Ram was a clever man. Now when we are comparing to the two persons, Ram was cleverer than Raj. See, was cleverer than Raj. Whenever we are writing the comparative, the adjective follows by than. Cleverer than. Cleverer Then here ER is there. We are writing more ER. Cleverer than Raj. Ram was cleverer than Raj. Again, when comparing to the superlative degree, what it comes? Ram was cleverest in the society. You can write like this. What it is? Ram was the cleverest in the society. Or you can write here, Ram was cleverest man. Ram was the cleverest man. What you will write, children? Ram was the cleverest man. Here, superlative degree follows by the. Ram was the cleverest man. Ram was the cleverest man. Here see, here just we are not comparing here, we are just telling about Ram was a clever man. Here we are comparing between two persons. Ram was cleverer than Raj. And here we are just telling he is the best in that. Ram was the cleverest man. Means what? We are comparing between whole. So okay children, Ram was the cleverest man. Now we understood about positive degree, comparative degree and superlative degree. Yes children, I hope everyone have understood. I will make a table and I will make you to understand that. Just showing the table I will tell you about everything. Okay children, for positive degree what it comes, for superlative degree what you should add, for comparative degree what you should do. First, positive degree, just we will write the adjective form. Comparative degree, we will add ER. We will add ER. And for the superlative degree, we will add EST. Understood children, everyone? What we have learned now? We have learned adjectives. What are the adjectives? Degree of comparison. What are the degree of comparisons here? Positive degree, comparative degree and superlative degree. What is the positive degree? Positive degree, just we are describing about one person. When comparative degrees, we are describing and we are comparing between two persons. Coming to the superlative degree, we are comparing more than two persons or two things. Okay children, this is about the adjectives degree of comparison. Now we will show you the table and learn the table and write the bit parts also. I will give you the worksheets also today only. Okay children. See here children, fill in the blanks with the correct form of adjectives describing the planets. See, Mercury is the dash, closer or closest planet to the sun. See here, everyone copy this in the classwork and complete that. Okay children, here Mercury is the dash, closer or closest planet to the sun, which it comes right on. Venus is the dash, closer or closest neighbor to Earth. Mars is coldest or colder than some other planets. Jupiter is dash, larger or largest than all the other planets. Saturn is a little small or smaller than Jupiter. Which is the correct one? You should choose from the bracket and write in the blank. Understood children? Next, Neptune is the slowest or slow planet in orbit. Next, seventh one, Mercury is the fast or fastest planet in the orbit. Eighth one, Mercury is dash fastest than Venus. Faster than Venus. Which is the correct one? Write it. Venus is dash hotter or hottest than all the other planets. Mercury is not as dash hotter or hot as Venus. See here once again. See here, fill in the blanks with correct form of adjectives and adjectives describing the planets. First one, Mercury is the dash closer or closest planet to the sun. Venus is a dash closer or closest neighbor to Earth. Mars is a dash coldest or colder than some other planets. Jupiter is dash larger or largest than all the other planets. Saturn is a little small or smaller than Jupiter. Sixth one. Neptune is the slowest or slow planet in orbit. Mercury is the dash fast or fastest planet in the orbit. Eighth one. Mercury is fastest or faster than Venus. Ninth one. Venus is dash hotter or hottest than all the other planets. Tenth one. Mercury is not as dash as Venus. Now second bit. Rewrite the sentences using the positive degree as plus, adjective plus as. You may use the words in the brackets. The first one has been done for you. See here. We are the same height. I am as tall as you. We both are equal, well built, strong. You are equally strong as me. You can write. Understood, children? Like this you should write. This two one you write. This two, only one I am giving you, complete it. See, children, formation of comparative and superlative degree. See, first one, more positive degree, comparative degree, superlative degree. See, most adjectives of one or two syllables. Akbar was a greater ruler. Ram was a clever man. When coming to the comparative degree, we should add er. Add er to the adjective. He was a greater ruler than she was. Ram was cleverer than Sham. Est to the adjective. See, he was the greatest ruler. Ram was the cleverest man. Understood, children, everyone? You should write like this. When two syllable adjectives ending in vowel Y, my uncle's hair is grey. My uncle's hair is grayer than my aunt's. My uncle has the greyest hair in the family. Understood? Like this you should write. It follows then also. It followed by then. Have you observed, children? Greater ruler than she. Ram was cleverer than Shyam. Here see in the superlative I said he was the greatest ruler. Ram was the cleverest man. My uncle has the greyest hair. This all comes under this. Everyone have understood, no, children? Complete the worksheet. Children, I said for positive, comparative and superlative. Yes, children. See here, for the positive, we are writing intelligent. When we are writing here intelligent, see here, when coming to the comparative, it comes more intelligent. For some words, we will use more. Comparative degree, we will write more intelligent. In the superlative degree, we will write most intelligent. But the intelligent will be same. We will add more to the intelligent and most to the intelligent. See, when it is in the positive form, it is intelligent. In the comparative, more intelligent. In the superlative, most intelligent. Okay, children. Now, beautiful. What you will write? More beautiful, most beautiful. Not beautifuler, beautifulest. It will not be there. Okay, beautiful. Okay, now more beautiful. In the comparative degree, we will write more beautiful. In the superlative degree, we will write most beautiful. Understood, everyone? Here in some, now good is there. Good. He is a good boy. He is a good boy. What it comes? Tell me, what it comes in the comparative? He is better than him. He is better. See, the word itself it changed. Good came under better. And the superlative, best. Good, better, best. When we are comparing, without comparing, we will tell he is a good boy. When we are comparing, we will tell he is better than him. Coming to the superlative, he is the best in the class. He is the best in the class. How we are discussing here? He is a good boy. He is better than. We are telling you better than. Coming to the superlative, he is the best. He is the best. Understood, children? This is about your positive, comparative and superlative degree. Just for the normal adjectives, when we are adding er, it becomes comparative. When we are adding est, it becomes superlative. But for some, we should add more. And for some, must. What it is? Most. After that, some it will be changing. Old, older, oldest. Okay. Good, better, best. Everyone have understood this? I hope everyone have understood. Complete the worksheets now. Now write the comparative and superlative degrees of these adjectives. See, positive degree, comparative degree and superlative degree. Wide, first one is wide. Cute, true, small, young, happy, yummy, wealthy, colorful. Important. Write this 10. Complete this comparative and superlative forms. And we are having more. I said no. We will complete it tomorrow. Just complete till here.